2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities.
This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, child safety locks, bucket seats, MP3 player, passenger airbag, trip computer, CD player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.